Top SAP tips and tricks that can help users become more efficient in their daily tasks. Personalized layouts. Customize your SAP screen layout to suit your preferences. Adjust column widths, hide fields you don't use often, and rearrange elements for quicker access to frequently used functions. Favorites menu. Utilize the Favorites menu to bookmark frequently accessed transactions, reports, or data views. This can save time navigating through menus each time you need to access them. Quick commands. Learn and use the quick command feature, often accessed with N, to directly jump to a specific transaction code without navigating through multiple screens. Wildcard searches. When searching for data within SAP, use wildcard characters like OR to broaden or narrow your search results, especially helpful when dealing with large datasets. Personalizing shortcuts. Customize your own keyboard shortcuts for frequently used transactions or functions, speeding up your workflow significantly. Custom reports. Explore the option to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs using tools like SAP Query or SAP Crystal Reports. This can save time compared to manually extracting and manipulating data. Excel integration. Take advantage of SAP's integration with Microsoft Excel. Learn how to export data to Excel, manipulate it, and import it back into SAP seamlessly. Advanced search techniques. Master advanced search techniques within SAP, such as using search operators like AND, OR, and NOT, along with parentheses for complex queries, to refine your search results. Personalization options. Explore SAP personalization options to tailor the system to your individual preferences. This includes adjusting default settings, layouts, and display formats. Learning resources. Continuously invest in learning SAP features and functionalities. Explore online tutorials, official SAP documentation, and user forums to discover new tips and tricks that can enhance your productivity. Transaction codes mastery. Learn and memorize important transaction codes for frequently used functions. Utilizing transaction codes directly saves time compared to navigating through menus. Personalization options. Customize your SAP user interface to match your preferences. Adjust layouts, hide unnecessary fields, and personalize default settings to streamline your workflow. Keyboard shortcuts. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to perform actions quickly. For example, Ctrl+S saves, Ctrl+Y confirms, and Ctrl+F opens the search function. Favorites and shortcuts. Utilize the Favorites menu and create desktop shortcuts for easy access to frequently used transactions, reports, or data views. Wildcard searches. Use wildcard characters in searches to broaden or narrow down results, especially useful when dealing with extensive datasets. Excel integration. Leverage SAP integration with Microsoft Excel for data manipulation. Learn how to export data to Excel for analysis and import it back into SAP seamlessly. User exits and borders. Explore user exits and business add-ins to enhance SAP functionality. These can be used to add custom logic and tailor SAP to specific business requirements. Advanced search techniques. Master advanced search techniques within SAP, such as using logical operators, AND, OR, NOT, and parentheses for complex queries. Online help and documentation. Utilize SAP comprehensive online help and documentation to troubleshoot issues, learn new features, and find answers to questions. Continuous learning. Invest in ongoing SAP training and stay updated with new features and best practices. Explore online tutorials, attend webinars, and participate in user forums to expand your SAP knowledge. Utilize personalization options. SAP offers extensive personalization features allowing users to tailor their interface. Customize screen layouts, Hide unnecessary fields and set default values according to your preferences. Spend time exploring these options to optimize your workflow. Master navigation shortcuts. While many users are familiar with basic navigation in SAP, mastering lesser-known shortcuts can significantly speed up tasks. For example, Control Tab allows quick navigation between open sessions, and Control Y can be used for faster confirmation. Enhanced search capabilities. SAP search functionality goes beyond simple keyword searches. Learn advanced search techniques such as using wildcards, logical operators and search ranges to refine your results and locate data more efficiently. Optimize layouts for productivity. Customize transaction layouts to display relevant information prominently. Adjust column widths, rearrange fields, and utilize tabbed layouts to organize data logically and reduce scrolling. Leverage personalized favorites. Beyond standard favorites, create personalized folders within the Favorites menu to categorize frequently accessed transactions and reports. This helps organize your shortcuts for easier access and faster navigation. Explore hidden functionality. SAP often hides powerful features within menus or transaction screens. Spend time exploring menus and consulting documentation to uncover hidden functionalities that can streamline your tasks. Automate repetitive tasks. Identify repetitive tasks in your workflow and explore automation options within SAP. Utilize features like batch input recording, background processing, and scheduled jobs to automate routine tasks and free up time for more strategic activities. Understand SAP data structures. Familiarize yourself with SAP data structures, such as tables and fields, to optimize data retrieval and manipulation. Understanding how data is stored allows for more efficient queries and report generation. Customize SAP reports. SAP offers flexibility in report customization. Learn how to modify standard reports to display only relevant data or add additional fields as per your requirements. This customization can enhance the usability and relevance of reports. Stay updated with SAP Notes. SAP regularly releases notes containing patches, updates, and solutions to common issues. Stay informed about relevant SAP notes by subscribing to notifications or regularly checking the SAP support portal to ensure your system is up to date and running smoothly. Utilize SAP Script and Smart Forms. Explore SAP Script and Smart Forms for customized document generation. These tools allow for the creation of personalized forms, such as invoices or purchase orders, with dynamic content and formatting tailored to your business needs. Optimize system. Optimize system performance. Keep your SAP system running smoothly by regularly monitoring system performance and optimizing configurations. Tasks such as archiving data, tuning database parameters, and scheduling regular system maintenance can improve overall system performance and user experience. Take advantage of SAP Community. Join SAP Community forums, user groups, and online communities to connect with other SAP users and experts. These platforms are invaluable for troubleshooting issues, sharing tips and best practices, and staying updated on the latest SAP developments. Explore mobile solutions. Investigate SAP mobile solutions for on-the-go access to critical business data and processes. Mobile apps like SAP Fiori provide intuitive interfaces optimized for smartphones and tablets, enabling users to perform tasks from anywhere, anytime. Implement role-based authorizations. Ensure users have appropriate access permissions based on their roles within the organization. Implement role-based authorizations in SAP to restrict access to sensitive data and transactions, reducing the risk of unauthorized activities and data breaches. Utilize SAP keyboard macros. Learn how to create and use keyboard macros in SAP to automate repetitive keystrokes or sequences of commands. Keyboard macros can be particularly useful for data entry tasks or executing complex transactions with minimal effort. Stay organized with SAP worklists. Take advantage of SAP worklists to manage and prioritize tasks efficiently. Worklists aggregate relevant information and activities based on predefined criteria, allowing users to focus on critical tasks and deadlines. Explore SAP Interactive Forms by Adobe. Discover SAP Interactive Forms by Adobe for creating dynamic and interactive PDF forms within SAP applications. These forms enable users to input data directly into PDF documents, streamlining processes such as data collection and approval workflows. Optimize data extraction with SAP queries. SAP queries offer a user-friendly interface for extracting data from SAP systems without requiring advanced technical skills. Learn how to create custom queries tailored to your reporting needs, saving time and effort compared to manual data extraction methods. Stay informed with SAP Learning Hub. Invest in continuous learning and skill development through SAP Learning Hub. Access a vast repository of training materials, courses, and learning paths covering various SAP modules and topics to enhance your SAP proficiency and stay ahead in your career. By incorporating these lesser-known SAP tips and tricks into your daily routine, you can optimize your workflow, increase productivity, and make the most of SAP capabilities.